Thought you were supposed to get your hair cut.
I did get my hair cut.
That's not a haircut.
Yeah, it is. It's
no,
awesome.
It's not. No,
yeah.
no.
Oh yeah, I got some haircut. America. Hey guys, it's Mike. It's time. It's time for the mullet to happen. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Been growing this since March. I think it's time for it to come out. And I don't know what we're gonna do on the front yet, or on the top. I don't know if we'll go all business or what, but we are gonna leave the back long and let it keep going. See if we can get Cleetus and those boys to let us come down to the Freedom Factory. All right, here we go. All right, I'm walking in. Let's see what she says.
Thought you were supposed to get your hair cut.
I did get my hair cut.
That's not a haircut.
Yeah, it is. It's
no,
awesome.
It's not. No,
yeah.
no.
Oh yeah, I got some haircut. I got these on the sides cut. Look at that.
How much did you pay for that haircut?
Majesty.
Uh-huh.
There's no price on a mullet this majestical. Majestical?
Correct. Your mom's wedding.
All right, guys, listen to me. Tag Cleetus McFarland, James, and Coop. Let them know I want to bring the Kart to the Freedom Factory. See if you can help me get an invite. All right, guys, thanks a bunch.